Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're unable to run a Chkdsk hard drive scan on your Windows 11 computer. So if the Chkdsk utility is not working properly, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle, and we'll go ahead and jump right into it. So perhaps you were trying to right click on the drive and just check for errors through there, but now we're going to try using the command line window here to actually run this. So before you do anything, make sure you have the drive letter correct of the drive you want to scan. So open up File Explorer, either select the icon down the taskbar or search for it. And then on the left side, you want to select this PC. Take note of whatever drive Windows is installed on or whatever drive you're looking to scan for errors. Should be a little icon above the hard drive that'll indicate it's a Windows drive. And in parentheses, this will be the drive letter here. So now that we know it's our C drive in my particular case, we're going to close out of here. Open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, select Yes. Now in this elevated command line window, you want to type in CHK, DSK, space, then enter the drive letter now. So in my case, it's the C drive, like I said, colon, space, /F, again, exactly how you see it on my screen here. So CHK, DSK, space, and then the drive letter, followed by a colon, space, /F. Go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard. It says check this cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time your system restarts? Tap the Y key on your keyboard and hit enter. This volume will be checked the next time your system restarts. Close out of here and save and close out of any open programs and applications and go ahead and restart your system. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was able to get your Chkdsk scan running successfully. And that should be about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.